So I just wanted to jump on here. I just did a healing for a friend of mine who is struggling with pneumonia at the minute. She's got like a lung infection. I just did pranic healing for her, and she described afterwards that there was a moment where she could feel her sinuses all open. She was able to breathe through her nose properly, having previously been completely blocked, just mouth breathing. And yeah, in the middle of the healing, she was able to breathe through her nose, felt a lot of tingling in her body, and felt really at peace at the end of it. So she's hopefully going to have a good night's sleep now. But I just want to put this on my story just to, I don't know, spread the word, I guess, that I am doing energy healings